Hey, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about that body post modification. I'm not going to go into depth on the actual modification, but we're going to talk about where we got some of our components from. So why don't you stay tuned? All right. Welcome back. So yes, we're going to talk a little bit about the modifications we got done. So, like I said, check. This is on the my wife's Black Betty, or the Outcast modification upgrade that we've done. So this is what it looks like up close. And basically what I did is you take your stock ARRMA one and you cut off the top of where the pin goes, and then you drill down the center of it, and then you put in a set screw. And then when you put your body on, you just got these little twist nuts that screw on. Now you can get a Proline kit to do this, which comes with the set screws and those caps, and it comes in a set of 4. But I also found a guy on eBay that 3D prints these things and does the little has a little cap insert that goes into it, and he gives you can buy like a pack of 10, and it comes with 4 of these set screws, and they're pretty cheap. It's like $10 for a pack of 10 with those set screws. And you can get them in multiple colors, like you can get them in red, orange, silver, green, whatever color you want, black, blue. So you got options with him, and they're pretty cheap, and he comes pretty quick. But yeah, so if you want to know the step-by-steps and see it actually done, I'm not going to do a video because East Tactics did one already. So if you go look at his channel, you can find that modification and get it done. But what I like about it is the fact that I don't have the pins anymore. I just have these caps. So, you just put the body on, right? And you just twist and go. And there you go. And that's how it looks. It's simple. I don't have to worry about looking for those little pins. And I got big hands, so those little pins are kind of hard to find the holes. And you can ask any of my kids when it comes down to putting those pins in. I end up losing them or have a hard time with it. So putting those little caps on, and it looks kind of cool on the RC. Let me get you turned back around. So there you have it. The guy that I found on eBay, his name is Gerald's Retro PC. He does a lot of PC stuff that he has for sale on there, but for some reason he sells these little kits that he creates. So go check him out. I'll put a link in the description. And Gerald, if you're watching this, a shout out to you. Awesome product. Keep up the good work. And we'll be definitely buying more. I'm going to be doing some conversions. I still got to do a conversion on my son's new ARRMA Talon that we just built. I'm going to get that converted up. And then I've also got the Outcast 4S that I'm going to do that conversion on. But that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys about. Give you a little update. I've had some questions on that. So don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.